Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how I created this look, which reminds me so much of Hello Kitty. So pink and sparkly. I loved it, and it's super quick and easy to do. Perfect for beginners, and I share some tips and tricks on how to apply these eyeshadows if you have hooded eyes. So I hope this tutorial is helpful, and I hope you like this look. If you do, please leave flower emojis in the comments and give this video a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and turn on the bell notification so you won't miss any of my videos. I do upload videos in English and in Spanish, so I hope you enjoy my channel. And now let's get started. I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer and Anastasia's A4 flat brush to clean the bottom of my eyebrows. This is pretty much just a eyebrow routine. I just like to clean them from the bottom, but you can skip the step if you don't clean them because it's not important for eyeshadows. And if you want to see an eyebrow tutorial, I do have a few of those, so I'll leave them in the description box below. Then I'm going to add a little more concealer on my eyelid and blend it out with the e.l.f. Cosmetics sponge. I do it in tapping motions, and I do use a sponge wet. That way it can blend out the product nice and even. And if you don't clean the bottom of your eyebrows with concealer, just make sure you blend this out as close to the eyebrows as you can. By the way, before I forget, on the lower left side of the screen, you'll see a button that says View Products. I'll have all of the products that I used in this video listed right there. You can have easy access to each product, so don't forget to check that out. Once everything is blended out and the tone is even on the eyelids all the way up to the brow bone, I'm going to move on to the next step. I'm not going to set the concealer. I'm going to go straight into eyeshadows. First, I'm going to grab this eyeshadow palette from Pixi. It's called Let's Talk Eyes. I'm going to grab this eyeshadow right here using a small brush from Rimmel. And you don't really have to use a small brush. I just like to use small brushes when it comes to applying eyeshadows. That's just the way I like it, but you can use one a little bit bigger. But I'm just applying this in tapping motions on my crease, starting on the outer corner. I'm not going to go all the way to the inner corner. You can see that I stop right before going into the inner corner. And if you have hooded eyes, make sure that you're applying this eyeshadow above the crease. So it does help if you do this when you're looking straight forward instead of with your eye closed or like looking down. That way it's visible when you're looking straight forward and it's not hiding under your hooded eyes. And then when it comes to blending out the eyeshadow, make sure you don't have a lot of product on the brush. I like to use the same little brush because it still has a little bit of the eyeshadow, and that's going to help blend out the eyeshadow a lot easier. And when you start blending it out, the eyeshadow is going to move a little bit higher. Oh, and I will be applying a few layers just to deepen up the tone a little bit. It doesn't really matter how it's looking on the eyelid. Try not to apply too much of the eyeshadow on the eyelid, but like if you do apply a little bit, it doesn't have to be, you don't have to blend it out or like fix it or anything. Just leave it like that. If you do need a little help blending out the edge of the eyeshadow, what you can do is grab a pressed powder or a translucent powder or a matte eyeshadow that's the same shade as your skin tone. And I'll be using the Maybelline Fit Me pressed powder, and I'll just apply it in tapping motions. First, I like to set the rest of the concealer on my the brow bone, and then with whatever's left on the brush, I like to go over the edge of the eyeshadow and very lightly, and the eyeshadow is going to start looking a lot smoother and neater. Just make sure you don't apply this powder on the eyelid. You want the eyelid to still be a bit creamy for the shimmery eyeshadow. Now I'm gonna grab this Complex Trio palette from Wet n Wild. It's so gorgeous. I fell in love as soon as I saw it. It's called Oh My Star, Shining Star. The first one's supposed to be a blush. The one in the middle is a highlighter, and the glitter is a glitter topper, and it smells so good. So first I'm gonna grab the highlighter, the one in the middle with this little sponge, and I'm going to apply this on my eyelid. You want to make sure you apply it when the concealer is still a bit creamy, but I'm just applying this all over my eyelid, making sure it also goes above the crease. To blend it out, I just use the same little sponge and very lightly go over the edges until it's nice and blended. But this step is super quick and easy. I'm gonna go back to the Pixi eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna grab this eyeshadow right here, which is slightly darker than the very first eyeshadow I applied, and using the same little brush from Rimmel, I'm going to apply that on my lower lashes from the inner corner to the outer corner. I will be applying a few layers here to deepen up the tone. So I'm gonna grab the glitter topper with my finger and just apply it on my lid. I don't want to apply too much, like I don't want the whole eyelid to be covered up with this glitter. So just very gently, I'm gonna start spreading out the glitter so it's nice and even all over my eyelid. And to make your eyelids look like the whole look a little bit bigger, you can also apply this glitter above your crease, making sure that it's visible when you're looking straight forward on your or above your crease and not just on your eyelid. Especially if you have hooded eyes, you don't want to keep this glitter just on the eyelid because it might be hidden under your hooded eye. Make sure you apply it above your crease. Now you can leave it like this, no need to apply fake eyelashes. I also added just a little bit of mascara to the eyelashes, and you can see it looks gorgeous. It looks more simple without fake eyelashes. This is just so you know that this look does not need fake eyelashes to look complete. It looks so gorgeous with your natural lashes. But I did want to go a bit extra, so I decided to apply these eyelashes from SheGlam. All of the products I'll be using are in the description box, and also you can click the little button on the lower left side of the screen where it says view product, and you'll have easy access to all the products I'm using in this video. And as you can see, these eyelashes are shorter from the inner corner and a bit longer towards the outer corner. These are a bit dramatic, so you don't have to apply dramatic eyelashes for this look, but sometimes I like my eyelashes to be dramatic. But let me know in the comments below what you prefer: no eyelashes, simple lashes, or dramatic eyelashes. And the last step is to apply mascara to the lower lashes. I'll be using the Maybelline Lash Stiletto. And as you guys saw, it's super quick and easy to do this look. No need to do a lot of blending, a lot of steps, a lot of products. And make sure you check out Wet n Wild's new collection. I'll leave their website in the description box below. That little palette is super cute and they have a lot more new products. So go ahead and check them out. Let me know in the comments below what you think of this look and what you rated on a scale of 1 to 10. If you did like it, please leave a like in this video and some flower emojis in the comments below. Share it with your friends and your family. This would be super cute for a day and night, for a party, a date. You know, Thanksgiving's around the corner, so it'll be super cute. Your eyes will stand out. So I really hope you guys like it. Thank you so much for your love and your support. I love you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!